Good day, Atomians! This is Ali Pingol, Product Management Staff of Atomy Philippines. And today, we'll talk about Atomy Lutein and Atomy Spirulina, which are soon to be launched here in Atomy Philippines. I know you are all excited, so let's hop into the discussion. First, let me brief you in on some of the deciding factors in using eye health supplements. Did you know that there is rapid aging worldwide? As a matter of fact, studies state that elderly population in the Philippines has increased over the last decade. Another is that the vegetable intake is said to be inadequate in all age groups. And because of the development of digital devices and the influence of COVID-19, most of us are staying home for a long time and use those gadgets every day. And because of the pandemic, more people are becoming more health conscious and are looking for a better quality of life. Thus, there is an increase in need and demand for health supplements. What is lutein? Lutein is an orange carotenoid pigment extracted from carotenoids, which are natural pigments commonly produced by many plants that promote good eye health. And here at Atomy, we are glad to present to you our very own version of lutein. The best thing about this product is the plant-based capsules, which can be safely consumed by people with gelatin allergy and vegans or vegetarians who avoid using animal-based ingredients. Common animal gelatin capsules have the disadvantage that the film does not dissolve under certain external conditions, such as light, resulting in slow absorption. Atomy Lutein was developed using only plant-based ingredients so that it does not burden the human body when ingested. We also focus on increasing its bioavailability using patented technology. Its purpose is to ensure that the film melts quickly to facilitate fast absorption and easy digestion. Also, it has heat-resisting properties, and deformation hardly caused even in high temperatures. Lastly, it is easy to take as it was made in a really small capsule size. This small capsule contains 20 mg of lutein. We use Flora Glow lutein, which is recognized as a safe raw material. It is a lutein produced by Chemin Industries Inc. in the United States, and being GRAS certified, it is said to be consistent in terms of producing good quality and safe products. It is the first manufacturer of certified raw materials from the American Academy of Ophthalmology and holds many raw material development patents. This lutein is a material from the flowers of marigold and was grown on contract farms in South America, India, Mexico, and Spain. Instead of using machinery, each of the marigold is handpicked in July and August. As for the other raw materials, we have vitamin A and zinc. Vitamin A is a nutrient that helps maintain vision at night and helps the skin and mucous membranes healthy. Zinc, on the other hand, is a nutrient that helps in keeping the taste normal and maintains the health of the skin and mucous membranes, and is involved in the metabolism of proteins and nucleic acids, thus helping maintain good health. An absolute quality and absolute price product developed by Atomy Japan will soon be launched here in the Philippines, and we hope this product will support your health and enrich your life. Now, the second product is one of the most requested Atomy products, which is Atomy Spirulina. But first, what is spirulina? Spirulina is the longest surviving micro blue-green freshwater algae that grows and thrives in tropical alkaline water. It is said to have a 3.6 billion years of long history. Also, spirulina contains about 60% of protein. It is a superfood coined as the best source of protein for the future. It consists of different types of nutrients essential for supporting human life. It has also been announced as the food of the future by World Health Organization and Food and Agriculture Organization. Also, did you know that it is commonly distributed by UNICEF to improve the nutritional status of undernourished children, and that it is also approved by NASA as a potential food for space travel. How amazing, right? Also, spirulina can only tolerate 30 to 40 degrees Celsius and a pH level of 9 to 11. It is an honest and reliable ingredient cultivated from the clean sea. Spirulina's cell membrane is made of pectin, a soluble dietary fiber, and this increases spirulina's digestion rate for up to 95% or more. Spirulina is claimed to be the best source of protein since it consists of 60 to 70% of protein. Also, it contains 60 different types of essential nutrients, including protein, carbohydrates, lipid, dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And here at Atomy, I'm proud to share that we have our very own spirulina product. Introducing Atomy 100% Pure Spirulina. It uses fresh and excellent quality of ingredients. Since 1983, only the selected premium ingredients improved through research and development and are grown in a 360,000 square meters farm located in Kailua, Kona, Hawaii. Also, it is worthy to note that it is GMO-free, which means that the genetic makeup of the plants used in the product has not been altered. Also, its cultivation environment is located in that same island with clean ocean and forests. Kailua, Kona boasts of crystal clear seawater that's rich in minerals. This island gets an average annual rainfall of less than 500 millimeters, and its clean air and strong sunlight makes the environment conducive for spirulina to thrive. In addition, Atomy 100% Pure Spirulina is produced using the patented seawater freeze-drying technology to minimize the loss of antioxidants and nutrients due to heat and oxidation. Lastly, it comes with odor-free plant-based capsules for easy intake. Intake directions is to take 1 capsule 2 times daily with water. And now for the benefits. Spirulina is known to have skincare and antioxidant benefits. According to the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety of Korea in 2006, it significantly reduced wrinkles, increased skin elasticity, and is instrumental in the reduction of intracellular and oxidative stress through direct antioxidant and antioxidant enzyme activities. Aside from these, spirulina is also said to be a source of beta-carotene, a provitamin E for the maintenance of good health. It is also a source of iron and protein for the maintenance of good health. Lastly, it is a source of an essential amino acid involved in muscle protein synthesis. And we can't wait to launch and share this product that has absolute quality and absolute price. Stay tuned, Atomians, for more products to be launched in skincare and health. Thank you very much and stay safe.